guys, it's Sarah. I'm here with a quick Sephora haul. So I get Sephora play boxes and I've gotten them for a while and I've always meant to post when I get them, but I get so excited I just open them. So I decided I was going to post these, and this is actually hopefully my last double play box unboxing because I messed something up and I've been getting two for like a year and I finally canceled it because I'm up to my eyeballs now in samples that I don't need. But anyways, so let me open them. Gotta get my knife. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right, so I love the play boxes. They are, I think, $10. And with every one, you get a free 50 points. I thought it was 100. Maybe I was wrong. And then it's just got all the crap that I never read. No one cares. And then it comes like this. So this one says, make it happy. Let's see what we've got. Oh, there's something left. All right, so in our bag of goodies, ooh, Dr. Dennis Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep. Ooh, it's a wrinkle recovery peel. So that's awesome. I really like their samples because I've actually found, my trusty knife again. I've actually found a lot of products that I like. Okay, fights wrinkles, gets smooth, brightens up. So it gives you two little samples. Charlotte, you're fine. She's so needy. Sure, you're fine. You are fine. Okay, so next. I got, ooh, I'm excited to try this. Is it a shampoo and conditioner? Ooh, this is a good one. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little lip gloss. I love these because I never use a lot of gloss and they're perfect to throw in my purse when I go out because purses are so tiny now. So what color is this in? Celeste. Very cute. It's the buxom. Next, ooh. So this is Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Looks like Dodge. I always like rip boxes. I can't help it. All right, so what's this? So this is a Becca Backlight Priming Filter. So it looks like this. This is one of those products that I'll probably throw in when I need a primer and I throw it in my to-go bag. That's cool. What is this? Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. What are they trying to tell me? I already get Botox. I have not found a serum or a cream that does better than Botox. But anyways, this one looks actually pretty cool. This might be something that I want to get. Looks pretty awesome, pretty legit. I mean, there's a 12.5%, which means this is probably going to be awesome. And oh, last but not least, Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector 08 Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum SPF 25. That's kind of cool. Although I have my I have a makeup tint I like, but that'll be a good one to try. I like to do makeup tints in the summertime, especially with SPF, but I think my go-to, there's a bag rolling off my deck, but my go-to is actually a Smashbox or It's Cosmetics as of recently. All right, let's open my bonus Sephora play box. So sometimes the stuff is the same and sometimes it's different. So we'll see what I got. Same spiel. Open it up, same spiel. And here we have same thing. Same thing, same color. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. So I got two of the same box, but that's okay because I'm excited to try these. I'm actually excited to try a lot of these products. I think the one I'm most excited to do is the Dr. Dennis Gross. Is it Gross? I can't remember. But yeah, So I hope you liked my video. Please thumbs up because that's how I know you watched it, you liked it, and most importantly, that you want to see me film more because I never know, like, do people like it? Do they not really care? So that will let me know I should film another one. Even if I get like 5 thumbs up, that means do another one. So yeah, make sure you hit the thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye.